Arduino board, breadboard, jumper wires, LED, push button, 10k ohms resistor, and 220 ohms resistor.
When press a push button, completes a circuit, turning it on. As soon as the button is released, the connection will spring back and break the circuit. This type of push button has 4 pins, but you generally use 2 at time for connection. The push button switch is also known as a momentary, normally open switch, and is used in, for examples, computer keyboards. Pins A and C are always connected, as are pins A and C are always connected, as are pins B and D. When the button is pressed, the circuit is complete.
In this sketch, you assign a pin for the push button and set it as input, and a pin for the LED and set it as output. The code tells the Arduino to turn the LED on as long as the button is being pressed, completing the circuit, and to keep the LED off when the button is not being pressed. When the button is released, the circuit breaks, the LED will turn off again.